Samsung finally broke the silence about the future releases for One UI 7. And don't get me wrong, we have One UI 7 Beta 4 on the S24 Ultra, and we have One UI 7 stable on the S25 Ultra. But what about S23? What about everybody else, guys? And before I get into the details, you might want to check my videos on the Pitaka cases, some very nice and fancy cases. And let me show you very briefly these two new babies that arrived today. Those are the Elite cases from Macbeth for the iPhone 16 Pro Max and for the S25 Ultra. And now let's go back to the One UI 7 news. Samsung continues its global expansion of mobile AI, equipping previous models with Galaxy AI capabilities. Just understand One UI 7. Samsung Electronics today announced the availability of Galaxy AI features on more Galaxy devices through the One UI 7 beta program. So you can see AI first, One UI just comes after this. And yeah, One UI 7 and AI, one and the same thing. But what is more important is designed for the most natural and seamless mobile AI experience. So at this point of time, we clearly see the linkage between AI and One UI 7. So the beta program, guys, will be available for the following phones. We have the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 in India, Korea, the UK, and the US starting from March 6th, which is actually today, rolling out to more devices within the month, including Galaxy S23 series, Tab S10, and also A55. Users can apply this standard way using Samsung members, or just go on XDA, grab the OTA file, the update, boot inside the recovery mode, ADB, then sideload it. And I know it sounds complex, but I did a video and you can just go and watch XDA thread. It's all explained there. Like if you don't want to wait like I do, sideload. So guys, official update of One UI 7 will be available within April, integrating leading AI agents with multimodal capabilities into every touchpoint of the interface. And I have a feeling that this has been written by Galaxy AI itself, like no human person can write this. One UI 7 marks a significant leap forward in creating a new kind of mobile experience where every interaction feels more intuitive than ever before. Am I happy with One UI 7 on my S25 Ultra? Yes, I am. Right, and guys, now they put a tick down below saying availability may vary by device, model, and market, which means that if you have an S23 in one of those countries, you might be lucky and get the beta. But if you have an S23 in a country that I didn't say, it's not specified, sideload, guys, or wait. And as there are already some Android users enjoying their sweet baklava with Android 16, we're hoping to get Android 15 with the One UI 7 for the all devices. Now, I see around a lot of people quoting the US Beta Moderator 3, so this guy from the Samsung members in the States. Well, guys, all right, let me read it through. Like, he almost starts everything with like, hey, thank you for sharing your suggestions with us. We truly appreciate your input and we value your engagement in the One UI Beta community program. And since I see a lot of people posting images, from the US Beta Moderator 3, he has written yesterday, hello, we don't have the official announcement regarding to the beta update, but we will announce officially via Samsung channel once the release is confirmed. So the only thing that is confirmed right now is we know it's coming, and it's maybe coming this month, maybe coming next month. It's going to vary. So the thing is, while some guys are eating the baklava Android 16, some people are waiting to get Android 15. Is this bad? Yeah, it's not ideal. But guys, maybe the wait is going to be worth it because One UI 7 is the most drastic change for One UI in the recent years. Or at least this is what US Beta Moderator 3 is saying. In fact, I'm really happy with the One UI 7 performance. There are some nice things, and I am in general happy with the way it operates. But does this justify the delay? No, it doesn't. Anyway, it's around the corner, so if you do own a S23 or the Z Flip or the Z Fold 6, guys, it's coming, right? Like, it may vary when you get it, but we know it's coming for sure. So for more One UI 7 news, follow the channel, guys, because right now everybody's pretending to have the crystal ball, and in fact only Samsung has the crystal ball. They know when it's coming out, and I really hope that this wait is going to be worth it. In the meantime, guys, just go and check some of my other videos. I ordered also the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, the original China version with the 6000 mAh of a battery. So expect more comparison, S25 Ultra versus iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. So it's the second Ultra phone. I still need to get the Oppo and the Vivo, and then I'm going to have like the Crown Ultra phone collection of the 2025, and we're gonna see which phone is the best camera smartphone. But for now, the only real Ultras are the S25 Ultra and the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, and we pretty much know how this comparison is going to end. Nevertheless, I still need to test it. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and yeah, let's wait together to get One UI 7.